हाँ ये एप्पल पेंसिल 2 10,900 MRP for iPad 11 inch Pro, iPad Pro 11 inch and iPad 12.9 inch थर्ड जनरेशन। अब हम लोग इसको अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे। ये है एप्पल पेंसिल 2। Now we'll look how to connect the Apple Pencil. This is the Apple Pencil 2 second generation for iPad Pro. Okay, so it's very simple to connect. This is the tip of the Apple Pencil. It's very simple to connect the Apple Pencil to iPad Pro. Just this is the magnetic part. Just you have to place the pencil over here. Okay, then you will get a notification, tap to connect. You just tap and the pencil will be connected in a matter of seconds, and it's also charging. The Bluetooth gets on. Here in Bluetooth you can see the Apple Pencil is connected. Now we can check it. We can open notes. Okay, and you can take this pencil and you can write. Okay, so here we can select the colors. Suppose red. The feature of the Apple Pencil is when we tap, the selection changes from eraser. Now the eraser is selected. Now the pen. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, now the eraser is selected. You can erase the whole thing. You can also do some drawing. Okay, brush. Now on tapping, eraser is selected, then the brush, then the eraser. Now you can clear the screen. Okay, here the touch feature is also there. Auto minimize. Okay, eraser is selected. Okay, so the Apple Pencil is very useful in writing the notes. You can write notes using the Apple Pencil. See, you can write in your own handwriting, and it's very comfortable to use. Now I will connect it to charge. See, it's connected with the magnetic connector. I will come up with many other videos about the features of iPad Pro and Apple Pencil. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.